What if I told you a simple natural powder could quietly protect your plants and help them grow stronger from the roots up? In nature, healthy plants often start with balanced soil and gentle protection from pests. Today, I'll show you how to use coriander powder for both growth and natural pest control. Take 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and pour it directly onto the soil around your plant. Coriander contains natural compounds that help discourage common soil pests while supporting a cleaner root environment. Now gently mix the powder into the top layer of soil. This helps the nutrients spread evenly and allows the protective properties to reach the root zone. After mixing, water the soil slowly. Moisture helps activate the natural elements in coriander, improving soil activity and supporting steady plant health. For faster visible results, take 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. Coriander supports leaf protection and helps reduce pest presence. Add a small cup of milk. Milk provides natural proteins and minerals that strengthen leaf surfaces and support plant resilience. Mix well and spray evenly on the leaves. Use this simple method regularly, and you may notice healthier growth and calmer plants over time. Nature works quietly. Just give it the right support.